Receiving a purchase order shipment in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to check a shipment in against the order, enter actual counts, confirm lot details, and submit to update inventory. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Purchasing, Receive from your dashboard. When a shipment shows up, this is where you check it in against the purchase order. You'll see every line item you ordered, with the expected quantity next to a field for what you actually received. Go through the shipment and enter the real count for each item. If everything matches, the numbers line up with the order. If something's short or the vendor sent extra, enter the actual count and I'll track the difference automatically. For ingredients, confirm the lot number and expiration date too if the vendor provided one, so it's tracked correctly in inventory. Once every line is checked off, click Submit Receipt. That updates your inventory levels right away and creates a receipt record with its QuickBooks sync status. If anything came up short, I may flag it for a follow-up count instead of silently adjusting your stock.